Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do division. Division is a fundamental math operation that helps us share things equally or group them. Imagine you have a total number of items, and you want to split them into a certain number of equal parts. Division tells you how many items go into each part, or how many parts you can make. It's like the opposite of multiplication, helping us break down larger numbers. Understanding the terms makes division much clearer. The dividend is the big number you are dividing, the total amount you have. The divisor is the number you are dividing by, telling you how many groups or how many in each group. The quotient is your answer, the result of the division. Sometimes you might have a remainder, which is the amount left over that cannot be divided equally. Let's try a simple example to see division in action. Imagine you have 10 delicious cookies and you want to share them equally between two friends. You would divide 10 by 2. Each friend would happily receive 5 cookies. This shows that 10 divided by 2 equals 5 with no cookies left over. It's a perfect, equal split. When dealing with larger numbers, we often use a method called long division. This systematic approach breaks down complex division problems into a series of simpler steps. You start by dividing, then multiply, subtract, and finally bring down the next digit. Repeating these 4 steps helps you find the quotient and any remainder for even very large numbers. Practice is key to mastering this technique.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.